just this now.
No taste.
What the opposite? నాకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను గుడ్డు పెట్టుకుంటున్నాను.
నువ్వు బిగ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే
ఇంకా చాలా తెస్తా.
అక్కడ కూర్చుంటున్నా ఆంటీ.
ఎందుకు నువ్వు అక్కడికి వచ్చినా?
ఇటు సైడ్ ఉంది కదా అనేది.
ఏది? జస్ట్ ఫ్లవర్స్కి కలర్ చేస్తాడు ఏంటి? వచ్చేసింది బయట అంత కలరు. చూడు.
లేదురా,
మరేంటది?
వాటర్లో కొంచెం ఎక్కువసేపు ఇదైతే అట్లా అయిపోతుంది, స్కిన్ డల్ అయిపోతుంది.
స్కిన్ కాదు, ఫ్లవర్స్ కూడా. ఇదే నా స్టమక్ వచ్చి స్కిన్. ఎందుకంటున్నా నీకు తెలీదా? చూడు వచ్చి లెంత్.
Why you are touching with your hands? Super.
Sentence 1.
Bujama, show me Ronaldo's move. Stand and show me. Stand and show me. Again. Messi's?
I don't know.
Okay, Ronaldo's? Pawan Kalyan's?
I don't do this.
In his movies, he is doing that.
I know it's in Saranjeevi.
Okay. Your favorite actor?
Pawan.
Your favorite politician?
Pawan. I mean, I got the lengthiest one. Look.
Wow. Tasty?
Yeah. I find some more, Mom.
What?
Just be silly. Just eat like this.
You know you are silly?
Yeah.
How you know?
Because of my jokes.
Hey.
Because of the help. Mommy, I got the tallest because no one in the whole world. Ever wonder why this YouTube channel? You don't know her YouTube channel?
No.
She has a YouTube channel. She has more videos than she shows by herself. Let's go. But I need to.
Come this way.
No.
Why, baby?
No.
Hey, tell me once. You said one thing. What you said?
No.
I love you. Tell me.
I love you.
If you love me more, you have to tell what you said.
I cannot tell.
Why?
Because I already told you.
That's why I'm asking you. Tell again.
Don't.
Please.
No. I don't do this. I don't want to tell you.
Only once.
I don't
Tell me.
wanna tell
Tell me.
One.
If I ask you something, what you will tell?
I'm going inside.
Come.
No.
I love you.
I'm tired.
Okay, then bye.
Come.
Only once. Come.
You're putting on air.
Which chair? మీ ఆల్సో గివెన్ విండ్.
That's not real wind. I want real oxygen. It is designed to bring people.
మీదే ఉందిరా.